Here's how you can go ahead and disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger app. First, go ahead, open your Messenger application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, tap on Settings in the top. Now from this page, you need to again scroll down and go to the Preference section. Tap on Privacy and Safety that you will find below the Accessibility option. Once you're in this page, you need to again scroll down, and there you will see the section of Security. And you will also see the option of end-to-end encrypted chats that is below the App Lock option. Go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on Previews and turn this option off. You can also go to Message Storage and set the settings according to your preference. You can also sync your chat history and save the key in your Google Drive, or you can also reset your PIN over here and go for more options and turn this auto sync option off and also the PIN reminders if you want. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.